Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my Lady Dior collection. I don't have all of them with me right now, but I do have most of them, so I figured I would just do a quick video to show what I do have today. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. The Lady Dior bag comes in a couple different sizes. The smallest one is the mini size, then there's the small or the My ABC Dior bag, then there's the medium, and then finally the large. Today I only have the minis and the smalls to show you. My personal favorites are the mini and the small size. In one of my other videos I have shown the medium and the large size, but they're a little bit too big in my opinion. I'm going to start off talking about the mini Lady Dior's first. The first one I have is this one right here, and it's made out of this black satin fabric. It also features a lot of these little crystals that make up this canage pattern all over the bag. This one in particular has silver hardware as well as a flap closure at the top. Some of the older versions on the medium size used to be a zippered closure, and I think people thought that it was too annoying to get in and out of. Now they changed it into a flap, which is much easier to use. The interior is also lined with this black fabric, and it has one zippered pocket at the very back. I've noticed that some Lady Dior's in the mini size have feet at the bottom while others don't, and this one in particular doesn't. This one in particular comes with a thin fabric strap that is adjustable at the side. The next one I have to talk about is also in the same size, but this one is in a metallic blue lizard leather. So I actually got this one from Coco Approved, and Coco Approved is probably one of my favorite places to find pre-loved items. It might be a little hard to tell on camera, but the color changes from like an electric blue to more of a purple hue. And this one actually does have feet at the bottom. This one also has a flap closure, and on the inside it's lined with black leather instead. This one actually comes with a chain strap instead. To be honest, I haven't used it very often just because I find it to be very dressy and I don't have very many occasions where I can actually wear this bag. The next one is this one right here. So this one is actually the supple version of the mini Lady Dior. The structure is a lot more malleable compared to the other two that I just showed. In comparison, this one you can really squish the leather, whereas for this one it's very structured. This also has feet at the bottom. It has these gold studs all over to make up the canage pattern, and it's also studded at the very top where the flap is. The inside of this one is lined with a black suede, and it has a zipper pocket at the very back, and it also has a flapped pocket at the front. One thing that's different about this one is the font of the Dior charms. I think they changed the font for a couple of things in the 2017 collection. I really like this one because it's a little more casual compared to the other two, and because it is a supple calfskin, you really don't have to worry too much about the structure. This one also comes with a very thick guitar strap. It is super thick and it's studded on both sides. So while I find this length to be pretty perfect for me, it isn't adjustable. The one con for this big thick guitar strap is that when I try to wear it on the shoulder, it always slips off of my shoulder. The only way I really like to wear it with the strap is as a crossbody. And finally, for the mini Dior's, this is my newest purchase. This one was a part of their Chinese New Year collection for this year, and I haven't taken the stickers off yet because I haven't had the chance to use it. And I'm not sure if the camera shows, but the bag is covered in these different colored sequins, and it's embellished all over. And the top is the same pattern, and the inside is lined with this beige suede. This one also comes with a chain strap, and the hardware for this bag is this really pretty champagne gold color. So I really love all the limited edition Lady Dior's that they usually make. My other favorite one I don't have with me right now, but it was from a few years ago now, and it was embellished with the moon and the stars, and it was just super pretty, completely beaded all over, and that one came in the medium size. And I just love how much detail they put in each of these bags. I actually have the same bag, but in a small size. So this is the small, and then this is the mini size. So it comes with this thicker strap instead of the little chain strap. This is probably the most basic Lady Dior bag. This is just a black Lady Dior in the small size, which is also the My ABC Dior bag. This one also has a flap closure, and it has a red fabric lining on the inside. The bags in this size come with a thicker leather shoulder strap. You can actually get it personalized with your initials. I find this to be really easy to use. It goes with a lot of different things, and personally I like the small size better than the medium size. The medium is a little bit bulky on me, but this size is perfect, and the thicker shoulder strap also makes it very easy and comfortable to use. There are a bunch of reviews on this size Lady Dior, so I'm not going to talk too much about it, but I think this is the perfect size whether you want to use it for the daytime or nighttime. So I actually got the same bag but in a gray color. This one also has champagne gold hardware, and it's in this really pretty dove gray color. There's not too much to say about this one since it is the same as the black one, but I'll just quickly show the inside of this. It has a flat pocket as well as a zippered pocket, and the inside of this one is lined with fabric as well. It is lighter in color, but I haven't had any issues with color transfer, although I have been very careful. I'm quite picky when it comes to grays, but I think this one is the perfect shade, and it just looks very pretty with the champagne gold hardware. And just for size reference, this is the small size and this is the mini size, so it is still quite a bit bigger. I think that the mini size is perfect for events and nights out, and the small size is better for everyday use, but it can also be used at night. So those are all the bags that I have to show today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.